These are the radar pitch frames, and I will show you how to remove and reinstall the lens. So to remove the lens, you're going to take the top part of the frame in one hand and the same side of the lens in the other, and you're going to pull them apart from each other. And this should remove the grooves on that side of the lens. You're going to do the same for this side, pull apart and pop out. Now the whole lens is not done yet. You're going to push on the underside by the nose piece on each side. This should remove the lens completely. Now, to reinstall it, you're going to slide the top part of the lens into the grooves located on the top of the frame, like so. And then you're going to push the lens down into the grooves of the nose piece on both sides. Next is to put these parts into the grooves on the side of the frame. Hold the lens in place while you slightly bend the lens to push it into the frame. Again, slightly bend the lens to push into the frame. There should be a couple of clicks.